and welcome back to the 3D printing of the shiny rod from Little Witch Academia. Today we are 3D printing the second piece out of 5, but like it's the second out of 4, technically there's like 4 big pieces, so second big piece, which goes right below the top of the staff. And this print was, I believe, I can't see it right there, I think it was 6, almost 7 hours. It was like 6.5, that's what it was, about 6.5 hours. And yeah, so it was about 6.5 hours. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and then you'll get to see me put the pieces together and kind of just compare the different pieces. I think I do end up putting them together in the very end, like not gluing them together, but like showing how they look just stacked on top of each other. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe at the end. But I will definitely sign you off once we get closer to the finished second piece. Alrighty, so we are at the end of our print here. After 6.5 hours or so, I also went from my cell phone to my camera. Now we're peeling them off, and I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how they look together. I am super excited for this. Just look how beautiful that print came out. I am so happy. And then I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how it's going to look with the top piece attached to it. It's going to look so awesome. Just take a look. It's going to be amazing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And then in part 3, we will be showing the final rod all glued together. So definitely stay tuned for part 3. I will be posting that very, very soon. I hope y'all have been enjoying these 3D printing videos, and I can't wait to bring more to y'all. Alright, bye everyone. I'll see you next time. See ya.